Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. That upside momentum 5 days in a row just keeps on rallying. With the soybean oil is really making a new high, and I think that is adding to put some underpinning some of the strength of the market. The world vegetable oil is actually very, very strong. The focus now is turning to China. Is there going to be demand for some serious soybeans? Everyone thinks it's very possible, and I think that's why we're not seeing anybody selling into this market as it continues to move higher. 2 more days left to the end of the year, end of the decade. Markets could be a little bit more wild than we expect. Corn also was firm today. The export inspections, I think that they had fallen behind a little bit. I think that everyone's looking for China to come in and start to buy a little bit more. That breakout of the consolidation channel definitely looks to the upside, and I think that perhaps they're really having their eye on the $4 mark. I think that there's rumors that ethanol could be mixed into the phase 1 deal. If that happens, all bets are off. We could really blow way through $4 number, but we're going to be watching that. The deal signing is going to be the real key before anybody's going to step into this market. Now the wheat could be the big indicator right now. It's rallying again. It's surging to a new 18-month high. What a surprise. I think it's partly position and profits market. A lot of the traders pushing this market a little bit higher, but it's end of the decade, and many traders are just really waiting also for the signing of the deal. But Australia and Argentina have come up short with their harvest, and so people are turning to the U.S., and it's very possible that our demand is going to be increased, and right now some of the wheat in the fields is not doing very well, so that offers a lot to our markets, and that's why we see this big surge. Also, in spite of that, with all holidays, the markets are very, very thin and vulnerable to high volatility. We've talked about this for the last couple of weeks, and it's definitely happening. Watch out for the next 2 days before the end of the year. It could be very interesting.